Keep the flow steady. We need these inspected before the next truck arrives.
Check the sensor readings on line 3.
Readings are stable. Batch ID 7904 verified. We check the bricks here against the standard. This batch looks perfect. Releasing to the sorter now.
Check the pressure gauge on the main line.
Holding steady at 25 psi. Flow rate is optimal.
Throughput is holding steady at 15 tons per hour. Temperature looks good, maintaining 18 degrees Celsius.
Pressure looks steady at 150 bar.
Yeah.
Good flow rate on the Merlot.
Keep an eye on the Pomace outlet. Here we see the mechanical separation system at work, screening the juice from the skins and seeds before it is pumped into the holding tanks.
Here in the holding tanks, the deep purple liquid is constantly mixed. Operators use advanced digital controls to monitor the process precisely.
We need to maintain the flow rate here.
The pressure gauge is holding steady. Control room confirms optimal levels.
The partially filtered grape juice passes through finer membrane or cartridge filtration equipment designed to remove smaller suspended particles. Here in the clarification system, fine particles are removed, ensuring a cleaner, more uniform juice before concentration.
The concentration and acidity levels are perfect. Great, we can release this batch to the line.
Keep an eye on the flow rate here. It's slightly unstable.
Adjusting the valve now, it should stabilize the temperature.
Check the viscosity on screen 7.
Reading normal. The agitation is working perfectly.
Stetsons. The concentrated grape base enters the blending vessel for final syrup formulation. Precision metering systems introduce the viscosity is stable at 550 centipoise. This batch is approved for final filtration. Quality control checks are finalized.
The batch is approved for release to filling.
Transfer line commencing now.
The syrup now enters the final sanitary filtration stage, where microfilters remove any remaining particles before packaging.
Quality control checks are finalized.
The batch is approved for release to filling.
Transfer line commencing now.
The syrup now enters the final sanitary filtration stage, where microfilters remove any remaining particles before packaging. The system reports a 99.9% pass rate.
Excellent. The audit confirms the rejection count is accurate. Secure the log.
Check the tape on that one, B. Looks good, eh? Running at full capacity today.
The sensor data shows a slight deviation on the third layer. Yes, I see it. It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next cycle closely.
The automated stretch wrapper secures the load, ensuring stability. Sensors precisely control the film tension before
Pallet 34B is secured, confirming location D12. Moving to the next shipment now.
Is this the grape syrup for Dallas?
Yes, scanned and ready to load.
All right, bring it in.
The completed syrup arrives at the distribution center, carefully stocked and ready for the customer, completing its journey from fresh grapes to this very shelf.